Greetings, thanks for joining me. I've been seeing all these stylists posting on Instagram how they're curling with this big fat curling iron and creating these loose waves and then messing it all up. I have a really old curling iron. It's a 2-inch barrel. Let me see if I can make my hair look as cool as all those hairstyles that are bouncing around on Instagram. I'm gonna finish it off with my Moroccan sea salt spray. And then I'm just gonna mess it all up and then I might spritz it again. Let's see how it turns out first. And scrunching. The camera quality isn't that great, but I was able to grab a quick selfie so you could see what that messy hairstyle looked like once it settled down a little bit. This time I'm going to part it down the center. I'm going to alternate curling back, curling forward, curling back, curling forward, and then I'm just going to keep it parted in the center to show you a slightly different look that you can achieve in the exact same way basically. Again, I'm using my trusty old 2-inch barreled curling iron that I've had forever. I'm going to go just a little bit more tame and just kind of rake my fingers through, and then after that I'm just going to give it a little spritz with the sea salt spray. This is the same basic concept as the first look. This one's just parted down the middle, and then I did some sections rolling it back away from the face and some sections forward toward the face. One more thing, leave me a comment down below and let me know, which do you prefer, the center part or the side part from before? Thanks so much for joining me. Take care. See you next time. Bye.